Former Prime Minister MANMOHAN Singh's MATAMDA THOKKHIBA THOUDOKTA Congress LEINGAKKI Asoibani HAINA Prime Minister NARENDRA Modi na Laokhibani Palhagam terror attack ti Kanagi Asoibani Haigadouri HAINA India Youth Congress ki General Secretary Manipur in charge SARIFA RAHAMAN PHONGDOKKRE ngasi nungthil All India Youth Congress amadi Manipur State Youth Congress ki members singna Congress Bhavandagi Palhagam terror attack pu yaning daba phongdoktuna down BJP down Amit Shah down Modi amadi Palhagam terror attack yaning de justice phangalu haibo khalau kayaga loinena yaning dabagi khongchat ama chatuna Chatnaba honaki adumapu Congress Bhavangi gate city police samadi IRV gamuknaduna ngaihak leiraba matung nakal anida wari sanaduna khongsat adu Congress Bhavanda amuk hanjinki Palhagam terror attack pu yaning daba phongdoktuna SARIFA RAHAMAN namakataraduna Central BJP government ki asoibana micham lamkoiba singi punsi manghanba yaning de athubada justice phanghalu haibana chingba wafam kaya phongdoki Khongsat aduda Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress ki President Wahengbam Anand Singh Susaruyaki